Hey guys, what's up? It's Scudder85 back in another unboxing. As you can see, this time it's for Gravel on the Xbox One. So yeah, I picked this up today. It's the latest game from Milestone, who have done quite a few games, to be honest. They've done the MotoGP series, quite a few of the Motocross series. They've done the WRC series as well, so which was quite good. But yeah, this is their latest game. It's called Gravel. You go through doing off-roady type stuff. So yeah, but yeah, I picked this up today. Really looking forward to playing it. So it actually looks really good as well. Like graphically, looks really nice. So there's the Spondugale. It's 23 gig install. So yeah, and inside we have just a disc. So yeah, that is my rather quick. Oh, by the way, it's also Xbox One X enhanced, so it should look really nice on the Xbox One X. But yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing for Gravel, guys, on the Xbox One. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos, and keep an eye out for my next couple of videos, which will be Burnout Paradise Remastered and Sea of Thieves in March. But for now, guys, I will talk to you later. Thank you very much. Bye bye.